Today we will show you the easiest and quickest way to fix your bleached front hairline and remove the extra centimeter of prominent yellowish color, a dead giveaway for alternative hair users. The PPI At Ease is a miracle worker for getting dark roots and covering grays. It works great for men's hair systems and women's toppers, as well as natural hair. With long-lasting advanced moisturizing formula, PPI At Ease Cover-up is a safe, water-resistant touch-up coloring system. It contains vitamin E and B5 to help strengthen and protect the hair from daily damage. Its small, mascara-like, no-mess brush glides effortlessly through human and synthetic hair, instantly covering up discolored hair in hairlines, roots, beards, mustaches, and sideburns. You can't go wrong with this smudge-proof formula that gives the perfect temporary coverage and washes out with shampoo. Using this unique product is extremely simple. Take the PPI At Ease brush and back brush your roots from the center out or bottom to top. You can brush and roll in several parting lines for even coverage. Work your way through the hair strands or dab in specific spots to cover the area. Allow it to dry for about 5 minutes before you brush your hair for a more blended, natural look. And there you go. Hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated with our latest videos. Thank you for choosing Super Hair Pieces. Bye.